Yeah, man. This I go on. You don't know the thing set in, man. Eh. Let me know what I do, don't? I don't know. Well, tell me. Comment. Tell me what I go on. Like it or what?
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Morning,
Mommy,
peeps. You don't know the thing set, you know?
No?
Yeah. Up again and running, you know? I nearly new year now. But I don't know the thing set. When the woman now work, a beer, them set, cook this for me now.
Vloggy
Cook
people.
this for me.
It's the vloggy people. What's up, guys? Back with another cooking video.
Yeah, that's my funny boy.
Yup.
Now look.
Look what?
That's my mommy.
Nobody start with me.
Mommy good.
Let me tell you something. You see, for the new year, you're not trouble, man.
Not trouble there. Are you say you want? So me just tell the people who want the food for cook.
You don't have to tell them that.
Oh, true.
Okay?
No.
No. You're gonna cook the food and me alone I'm gonna eat that.
No, I true, man.
So you say it's me alone
No,
food.
no, I true. Me never have to tell them. Friend, see me I cook, they know say you on me. They're damn greedy. I true you talk. See what I mean?
What's up, people? What's up? Me there working, people. Work me there. Look here. Work me there. That's the luxuries when you work from home, you know? You don't have to really get up and get dressed up. Only when I have meetings. But yeah, I'm at work, but I'm taking my little 15-minute break. I make my cappuccino. I'm going back. Come here, leave rush out here. I'm gonna cook food now. Yeah. When you see me look a bit later, come here, go back at the people that work.
That's when she and yeah. So you don't know, what they are. I do a small amount of
Oh, yeah, break yourself with.
ackee and saltfish. Everybody has said, they want more. Should I do more? So alright then. Long belly now say, she want ackee and saltfish. So you don't know the thing set.
Long belly. You never know the belly long.
Don't know.
You never know my belly long.
Don't know. I have them seasoning runner so.
Right.
And thing me have vlog me no disturbance. And
listen,
yeah, I mean so me go sort out if I sort out. You don't know the thing set.
No.
So, yes.
No. 2023, you're gonna be nice to me. You're gonna stop telling the lies about how we met, and we're gonna do our story time. So we've been promising y'all the story time, and we still haven't done it, but we're gonna do it because he been lying. But yeah, anyways, 2023. I'm telling you something. You said 2023. I can feel it. It's gonna. Woo! Watch out.
Blow upon it. Yeah, I say deal with milk. Yeah, when it overflow, you just blow upon it.
2023, nothing but blessings. 2022 was a bunch of lessons. Remember, I'm telling you that. One heap of lesson I'm gonna learn. Cause one thing, if I have a lesson, but if you don't learn from the lesson, it don't make no sense. So, I learn from all of my lessons them this year. Next year, 2023. Lessons, hard work, perspiration, everything. We're gonna just up. Yeah, I'm putting it out there in the universe. When I deal with nothing negative, nothing when I write, nothing when I align with what we do, 2023.
Yeah, I mean.
Alright.
You don't know when I focus on no locus. Yeah, simple. Your cappuccino.
I probably want some.
You don't know. You hear she say? Blessings.
So I'm gonna share my cappuccino, we don't know.
Blessings.
So I'm nice. Let's start the year nice, you know? So I'm gonna look at cappuccino these people. I'm gonna go back to work. So
I can't come out of the kitchen.
hello, me just talk to your brother.
No, but just
talk to your brother.
But you say next year, the new year, me have to treat you good. So
you have to start practice from now.
So me have some hope at couple hours left. If you just tell us, come out of my kitchen.
Alright? And guess what? Me have a couple hours to tell him to come out of me. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have do some breakfast for her and thing.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
Always I cook for me. I want me to work. Sometimes I look up, I see me come with a plate with egg, bread and plant and these things. I say, wow, my baby was thinking of me.
Yeah, baby.
So nice.
Yeah.
See, other baby I'm like.
But the baby I know want cook and go sit down.
Okay.
So come out of the kitchen.
Alright then. Make go back at work. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah man, make sure go on about our business. Be careful.
Not you running me away.
Yeah, peeps. Back at it again, you know. You don't know the thing set, you know. I can't sell fish for breakfast. And that Nique says she wants, so I just have to just deal it down. So I'm going to boil my saltfish now. Yeah, so I think that they ring, you know what I mean? And the boy not even there for answer and gone what I do. So I don't know, me deal my vegetable right now. For my ackee and saltfish, you know. Cutting up the stuff here now that I go and I boil out the salt out of that. Yeah, man, I say things set, man. I have to learn to cook, man. So there you go, man. I can't teach you, you know. As Nique say, 2022, I hope a lesson, man. Hope a lesson, man. So you don't know, we start the thing from this year, you know. Say, I just a Rash Nique. RASHKAMAR Entertainment. That's it. But sometimes you go side of some people, or some people come side of you. Yeah. It makes sense. It makes things worse. You know what I mean? So you don't know the things that we learn. As I say, boy.
What's up,
boy?
I'm back at work.
So that's what I got to do, man. So give you some strength, no, man. Give you some strength, man. Share all the things, them, man, and like up the thing, them, and all them stuff, them, man. Cause you don't know the things that you know.
Professional cutter.
One each. Eh?
Professional cutter.
Okay. Yeah. So there's some love, man. Some share, some likes. You know what I mean?
Just show us some love,
we know,
man.
we do one little thing. You know what I mean? I know everybody I go like what we do. You understand? But you have people that go like what we do. So yeah, man.
Just show some love,
show
man.
some love, man. That's
Give the support, man. We need it, man.
Yeah, man. Hear that? I really said them thing then. I say I don't know, you know, like it general I tell you know. So so this is my vegetable. For my ackee and saltfish. That's how I deal with it, you know. I like when food pretty, you know. And remember, I tell you now, when I ramp on yourself, tastes good too. You hear? Yeah. See it, huh? Vegetable for my ackee and saltfish. Nice, eh? Woo! And that's a mess, saltfish a boil up, so you don't know the thing set when the next thing come around. Link up done. Yeah, you don't know the thing set. A dumpling time. Back again, you know. You don't know the thing set, you know. I'll add up and now for fried dumpling. You know what I mean? My ackee and saltfish this so. You see me I say? Yeah, man. That's how we are dealing with the thing, though. Yeah. And my fried dumpling and go and bubble up, you know. You don't know the thing set, you see me? Yeah. So over here so now. I can't saltfish, I go run right. That's how you see me. Now this I come out you know.
Your baby. Hi. That's something I come for show you now.
Yeah.
Privately.
Okay. So you don't know me, I'm a thing here, so I move them over here and you don't know. You don't know.
Ooh.
You don't know. Yeah. You don't know.
I shouldn't be out here, man. I'll show you something real quick.
Oh, yeah. Then you know what I'm around here, so I have the camera in my hand. And I say, and I talk, you know. And the damn thing now record. I never press record. Damn, I say go still. Yeah, man. So you don't know the thing, set. Put the camera here, so. Dumpling I go and roll this, so. This way I deal with it now. Man, this I go on. You don't know the thing setting, man. That me know me I do, don't? I don't know. Well, tell me. Come in. Tell me what I go on. Like it or what? Dumpling them. You see them? Yeah. So you know hockey time now. Spin off him fast and quick and fast. Yeah, so that good. Go check Nique now. Watch out. Who this? Baby, you acting selfish, right? Are we a chat to sir? Ain't easy.
I don't see anybody else in the room.
It's bright and out of that. You know, so I'm not getting no food. I'm not bother
You
getting.
have to.
Food ready now, baby?
Okay.
You ready?
No, I know lunchtime.
Oh, no lunchtime. Alright, I eat my one.
Why you tell me say you have to eat without me?
I tell us you ready, man. What time now? Oh. Alright, so you go. So you don't know how me I deal with it. See? So you don't know. I'm gonna play it this time. All the while I say I'm not gonna play it, I'm not gonna play it, but I'm gonna play it this time. See? You don't know the thing setting. And remember, you know, like, share and subscribe, you know. You don't know the thing setting, you know. Rash Nique, you know. And remember, you know, go over RASHKAMAR Entertainment, you know. For the dance hall, you know. Subscribe, like, share, everything, you know. RASHKAMAR Entertainment vlog, you know. Over the same way to, you know, before and after party them, you know. You know what I mean? Like, share and subscribe, you know. I don't know the thing setting, you know, man. Remember me telling us I'm gonna give you a plate. I'm gonna give you a plate. Thing like I know, you know. Greedy Nique. Yeah, Greedy Nique. I did the right thing, you know. I get 3 again. No, last time I get 3 she ball. They want more. Alright then. Remember me telling us I'm showing our plate down. Yeah man. That's what I think said. Steam. Yeah. Tell me a thing man. What you think about it? Wanna think about it? I don't know this thing you know. Baby food, huh? Yeah. Yes, baby.
I'm wondering why you was standing there. Cause I said bring it come. I'm like,
Oh.
this man is off his rocker.
Yeah. Nique food, you know?
That's a rush.
And guess
That's a
what?
rush.
Nique food, you know? A baby for me.
Yeah.
Here you go, baby.
Thank you, man, for my lunch.
Yeah.
I have a whole hour. I'm about to watch my show.
Yeah, Jocelyn, cover away.
Hey!
Jocelyn, cover away.
Welcome.
Yeah. Yeah. So I eat that, you know. Yeah, I mean, quick and fast. You know what I mean? No hard to do. No people think if you just do some ackee and saltfish and some fried dumpling, a lot of work. And a lot of work, man. I just, you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to know what you do. Quick and fast. You know what I mean? So, you don't know the thing set, you know. Our next one. I remember, you know, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I mean? Just tell everybody, man. Just, a new year I come on, you know. Our year, though. We gotta try a bit. Our year. I hope I hurt me if I deal with it. You understand? I can't vlog every day. And, yeah, I mean, I don't know the thing already, man. Just support the thing, right? Alright then. Let's come on.